Hey there, my name is Julie Sikorsky. Welcome to You Deserve a Cookie, Navigating the Challenging World of Leadership in Forensic Biology. We're so glad you stopped by to see what we're all about. At this year's ISHI, we'll be hosting a workshop all about the complications of leading and managing in a forensic DNA laboratory. We've got loads of tools to share and want to give you a safe place to discuss the challenges and questions you have on your mind. And when you leave, hopefully you'll not only have more confidence as a leader in this field, but a resource network you can lean on. The most exciting part of this workshop is the panel of experts who will be taking us on this journey. They include the who's who in forensic leadership, former and current practitioners and managers, essentially people who have walked in your shoes. Without further ado, I'm going to let the panel give a brief introduction of themselves and the topics they're going to cover. Let's begin with my co-chair, Dr. Pamela Marshall.
Hello, everyone. I'm Pam Marshall. I serve as the director of Duquesne University's 4+1 Master in Forensic Science and Law program, as well as the director of the Cyril H. Wecht Institute of Forensic Science and Law. I'm going to be spending some time at the workshop to help you do a DISC assessment to determine your own type of personality, behaviors, and management styles, as well as learning about the behavior of others. I look forward to meeting you all in Florida. Take us away, George.
Hi there. My name is George Schiro. I'm lab director at Scales Biological Laboratory in Brandon, Mississippi. Please join us at Disney World, where we'll discuss such fascinating topics as employee evaluations, corrective action reports, who needs them, technical challenges, protocol drift, and efficient DNA training. Does it even exist? Come down to Orlando and get that cookie you truly deserve. Take it away, Ray.
Thanks, George. My name is Ray Wickenheiser. I'm currently the director of New York State Police Crime Lab System out of Albany, New York. I'm really looking forward to working with you on the following topics that I'm going to cover with you: rallying the troops, how to motivate both yourself and them, new legislation, how to survive and even thrive, pitching and negotiation skills, how to justify those desperately needed resources you need to do an even better job in serving your jurisdiction. Now down to John Collins.
Thanks, Ray. Hi, everybody. I'm John Collins, and I'm going to be talking about the importance of professional relationships, which, as I'll explain, are the infrastructure of leadership. Relationships are like the pipelines through which your leadership, your ideas, and your intentions flow to those that you're responsible for leading. I've worked in federal, state, and local crime laboratories, and I'm the former director of forensic science for the state of Michigan. I'm trained and currently practice as an executive leadership coach, and I've authored 3 books on leadership, policy, and professionalism in forensic science. And I'm really looking forward to working with everyone at our event in September. Down to you, Angie.
Hi, my name is Angie Vassalotti, and I am a retired forensic scientist from the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, a Green Belt and Lean Six Sigma, and a current consultant, and also the founder of AGV Forensic Consulting. In this workshop, I will be covering the topics of why managing in forensic biology is difficult, and also communication in the unit and all of its facets. Now on to you, Julie.
Thanks, Angie. Hi there again. Just a little bit more about myself. I'm the co-chair of this workshop along with Dr. Pamela Marshall. I manage the forensic biology unit at the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office in West Palm Beach, Florida. And for this workshop, I'll be covering some of my favorite topics to include change management. Who doesn't love a little change, as well as servant leadership. So we're all very excited to see you in Orlando this September and to get the discussion started. And remember, you deserve a cookie.